to a tavern on the green. They vowed to help the people of the king. They handled all the troubles on the English country scene, and still found plenty of time to sing.
Robin Hood, Robin Hood, riding through the glen. Robin Hood, with his band of men. Feared by the bad, loved by the good. Robin Hood, Robin Hood, Robin Hood.
He rode up to the palace and was cheered by everyone. His lady Marian threw him a rose. The King of England knighted him, the Earl of Huntingdon, and that's the way that the legend goes.